A faulty car plug coil can cause a range of problems that can affect your vehicle's performance, fuel efficiency, and overall reliability. Here are some common issues associated with a faulty car plug coil and how to fix them. Problems associated with a faulty car plug coil include engine misfires. A faulty plug coil can cause engine misfires, which can lead to reduced engine performance, decreased fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. A malfunctioning plug coil can also cause the engine to idle roughly, leading to vibrations and noise. A faulty plug coil can reduce engine power, leading to poor acceleration and performance. These problems can be complicated by an increased fuel consumption. A malfunctioning plug coil can cause the engine to consume more fuel than usual, leading to uneasiness in your budgetary estimates and finances. The check engine light would be triggered when a faulty plug coil is detected. How to detect a faulty car plug coil using a scanning device. Detecting a faulty car plug coil using a car scanning device can be a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, ensure you have a car scanning device that is compatible with your vehicle's make and model. Next, locate the OBD2 port in your vehicle, which is usually found under the steering column. And finally, have your vehicle's information handy, including the make, model, year, and engine type. Alright, so here's how you scan your car for a faulty plug coil, step by step. First, you'll want to connect your car scanning device to the OBD2 port, and then turn the ignition on, but don't actually start the engine. Next, select your vehicle's make and model from the scanning device's menu, and go ahead and run a scan to retrieve any trouble codes that might be stored in your vehicle's onboard computer. Now, once you have your scan results, check for any codes related to the ignition system, such as P0300, which means random or multiple cylinder misfire detected, P0301 to P0308, which means cylinder 1 through 8 misfire detected, or P0351 to P0358, which means ignition coil A to G primary or secondary circuit malfunction. Now let's talk about monitoring live data. Keep an eye on the scanning device to check for any irregularities in the ignition system, like ignition coil primary voltage, ignition coil secondary voltage, and spark advance. You'll also want to perform a spark test using the scanning device to check for spark presence and quality. This helps you figure out if your ignition system is working as it should. So, interpreting the results is pretty straightforward. If the scan reveals trouble codes related to the ignition system, it could mean there's a faulty plug coil. Similarly, if the live data shows any irregularities in the ignition system, that might also point to a faulty plug coil. And if your spark test shows a weak or absent spark, well, that's another sign you could be dealing with a faulty plug coil. So the next steps you need to take are, first, perform a visual inspection of the plug coil and spark plug wires to check for any signs of wear, damage, or corrosion, and then replace the faulty coil. If the plug coil is found to be faulty, you'll want to replace it with a new one. After that, just clear the trouble codes from the vehicle's onboard computer using the scanning device. So how do you correctly fix a faulty car plug coil? Well, first off, start by inspecting the plug coil for any signs of wear, damage, or corrosion. It's important to check for cracks, breaks, or worn-out connections. Don't forget to check the spark plug wires too, and inspect them for any signs of wear, damage, or corrosion. Look out for cracks, breaks, or worn-out connections there as well. If you find that the plug coil is damaged or faulty, you should go ahead and replace it with a new one. Just make sure you purchase a coil that's compatible with your vehicle's make and model. Now, if the spark plug wires are damaged or worn out, replace them with new ones as well. And again, make sure to get wires that fit your vehicle properly. Once you've replaced the faulty plug coil and spark plug wires, it's a good idea to reset the check engine light. You can do this using a code scanner or simply by disconnecting the battery. Here are some tips to help you prevent future problems. First, regular maintenance is really key. A regular or periodic maintenance schedule will help you avoid issues down the road. Make sure to check and replace the plug coil and spark plug wires at the recommended interval. Second, always use high-quality spare parts that are compatible with your vehicle's make and model. Try to avoid using cheap or counterfeit parts, as they can actually cause you more problems in the long run. Third, try not to over-tighten the spark plug wires, because over-tightening can actually damage both the wires and the plug coil. And fourth, keep your engine clean. An engine that's kept clean and free of debris is honestly a great first step towards spending less on repairs and servicing. A clean engine can really help prevent problems with the plug coil and spark plug wires. By following these tips and fixing a faulty car plug coil, you can prevent future problems and keep your vehicle running smoothly.